In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Webex to Outlook, and we'll cover this in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening up your preferred web browser. This might be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. Once you've got your browser open, go ahead and type Outlook into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up the results for Microsoft's Outlook. Click on the official Outlook link, which will take you to the login page. Once you're on the Outlook page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you use the correct username and password associated with your Outlook account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, now is the time to complete that process as well. Once you're successfully logged in, you should see your Outlook dashboard. This is your main hub for managing emails and scheduling your calendar. Now, let's go to the top bar where you'll find a small icon labeled Apps. It might look like a grid or a small square, and it's usually placed near your profile picture. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Get Add-ins. This option allows you to browse and add various applications that integrate with Outlook, enhancing its functionality and your productivity. Upon clicking Get Add-ins, you'll be taken to a new window or a pop-up with a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Webex OI add-in. It's essential to spell this correctly to find the precise add-in we need. After typing, hit Enter or click the search icon, and the results will populate below. Once the search results appear, locate the Webex add-in. You should see an Add button right next to it. Click on this Add button, and it will initiate the process of integrating Webex with your Outlook account. After clicking this, give it a few moments. The process might take a bit, depending on your internet connection, but generally, it's quite fast. After the add-in is successfully added, you should see a confirmation message. At this point, the Webex feature is integrated with your Outlook, meaning you can easily schedule and manage Webex meetings directly from your Outlook calendar. This integration not only makes scheduling easier, but also helps keep all your work tools in one convenient place. That's it. You've now successfully added Webex to your Outlook account, enabling a seamless workflow between both platforms. I hope you found this guide helpful.